Salaries are low in Canada, but taxes are very high. How much soever you might be earning, you will end up spending 40 to 50% of your salary in taxes. Does it even make sense to move to Canada where the salary bracket is low and tax bracket is way too high? We will see all of this in today's video and we will really understand, is the tax system so bad in Canada? So if you're new to my channel, do click the subscribe button and stay tuned. You can also click the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get tuned to my channel and you get notification of all my videos. It really gives me a lot of motivation when you click on that subscribe button. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Humpty02Dumpty. I make short reels and short videos there too, sharing all this information for you guys, which can be helpful for all the new immigrants and students here in Canada. So you can check out my Instagram account, and if you like, you can definitely follow it. So let's get started. Let me talk about the agenda, what all I'm going to discuss in this video. Number one, we will talk about the tax system. What are the types of taxes here in Canada? Number two is, what are the tax brackets? How does the tax structure look like? Number three, I will share some examples and show you the actual tax calculation. Number four, I will show you some free tax calculators for your reference. Alright, number one, tax system in Canada. So guys, we moved to Canada from India. So let me talk about how the tax system worked in India. So in India, we had a tax system which was progressive. Basically, we had slabs as per the income, and on basis of that, we were paying taxes. And the tax system in Canada, it works on the similar lines. Here, the tax system is also progressive. So you have brackets, or what we call as slabs. So based on the income brackets, there is a percentage of tax that will be deducted from your salary. Now the tax system is divided into two parts. So we have federal tax and then we have provincial tax. So federal tax is the tax that is same across Canada. Whatever province you are living in, the tax will be absolutely same. So this tax goes to the government of Canada, basically national government. Second is provincial tax. So basically the provinces and territories in Canada, they have their own tax brackets on basis of income, and you will have to pay additional tax over federal tax, that is provincial tax, based on whichever province you are living in. Now next point is tax bracket. So first I will show you federal tax, how does the income slab and how does the tax structure look like, and then we will also see provincial taxes. For that, let's go to my laptop screen. So these are the recent tax brackets which are declared by Canada government for the year 2022. We will talk about federal tax rates first. So how it works here is, you have taxable income slabs, and on each income slab the tax rate is applicable. So let's look at the slabs. So for first $50,197 of your income, you will be charged, or you will be paying 15% tax. Then for the next $50,198 to $100,392, you will be paying 20.5% of the tax on this bracket income. Then next is 100,393 to 155,625. You will have to pay 26% income tax on this bracket, and then 155,626 to 221,708, the income tax rate is 29%, and anything over 221,708, the rate applicable is 33%. So like I said, this is federal tax rate and it is common all across Canada, whichever province you might be living in. Now moving on to provincial tax rate, because I'm from Ontario, I will be talking about these tax rates. Of course, if you're living in any other province, the tax rate will be different. So for the first $46,226, you will have to pay 5.05%. Then for the next 46,227 to 92,454, you will be paying 9.15% tax on this bracket. Then for the next 92,455 to 1,50,000, you will be paying 11.16% of the income tax. Then next is 150,001 to $2,20,000, you will have to pay 12.16%, and anything over $2,20,000, you will be paying 13.16%. So it's very obvious, anything over $2,20,000 on your income for both federal tax and provincial tax, the tax rate is the highest, which is 33% in case of federal, and in case of Ontario is 13.16, which makes the amount look really heavy. Now let's take a look at the live example example and see how does the tax calculation, how does the number look like. Let's assume my salary is $90,000 and let's calculate tax on that. Let's calculate the federal tax. So because my income is $90,000, so for first 50,197 of my income, I will be charged 15% tax, so that will be $7,529.55. And for the balance, that is 90,000 minus 50,197, which amounts to the value 39,803, I will be charged 20.5% tax. So that will come out to $8,159.615. So because my income is 90,000 only, I don't fall under third bracket, and that's about it. Total federal tax comes out to be $15,689.165, and if I calculate in percentage, this amount of 90,000 is 17.43%. So basically, my federal tax on the income $90,000 is 17.43%. Now let's look at the provincial tax for Ontario. Similarly, the slab wise, it will work. For the first $46,226, I will be paying 5.05%. So this amount comes out to be $2,334.41. And for the balance, because my salary is 90,000, I just fall under this bracket only. So whatever the amount is, 90,000 minus 46,226, the amount comes out to be $43,774. I will be charged 9.15% on that. The amount comes out to be $4,005.32. Now, if we sum up that, it comes out to be 6,339.73. That is the total provincial tax on my income, $90,000. And in terms of percentage, this amount of 90,000 is 7.04. So that is provincial tax for me is 7.04%. Now, you see the difference. Federal tax is 17.43 and provincial tax is 7.04. Of course, federal tax is always higher. Now, let's look at the total tax on this income. So my federal tax was $15,689.165. Provincial tax was $6,339.73. Now we sum up both. The total tax comes out to be $22,028.9. This amount is 24.47% of 90,000. Now you saw that tax that I have to pay on $90,000 is 24.5% of my income. Let's take another example and let's assume my salary is $1,20,000 this time. Let's see how much the federal tax comes out to be. So the similar way, first 50,197, this slab will stay the same. So I will be charged 15%. This amount will be $7,529.55. For the rest of the amount up till 1,392, which comes out to be 69,803, I will be charged 20.5% tax. This amount is $14,309.615. Now, because my income is $1,20,000, I fall under third bracket also. So I will subtract the balance, that is 1,20,000 minus 100,392. The amount comes out to be 19,608. On this, I will be charged 26% tax, which comes out to be $5,098.08. Now, if we sum up all the three taxes, the total comes out to be $26,937.25, and this is 22.44% of $1,20,000. Now let's look at the provincial tax for Ontario. Similar way, for the first $46,226, I will be charged 5.05%. The amount comes out to be $2,334.41. For the second slab up till $92,454, I will be charged 9.15%. This comes out to be $6,750.32. And of course, I fall under third bracket also. And the amount comes out to be $3,074.13. Now, if we sum up all the three, the total provincial taxes, $12,158.87, and this is 10% of my income, that is $1,20,000. You see how much the provincial tax has increased compared to when my income was $90,000. That time it was just 7%, and right now it is 10.13%. So more you earn, the more your taxable income is, you have to pay more taxes. Let's sum up the taxes. So federal tax plus provincial tax comes out to be $39,096.11, And this is 32.58% of my total income. You see the difference? If my salary increases by $30,000, the tax also increases by 6% or like 8% approximately, right? So that's how the tax system works. The higher the salary you have, you will end up paying more in taxes because of course the slabs work like that, the brackets are like that, and whichever bracket you fall in, you end up paying taxes on that. So the more you go towards the lower end, the higher bracket, the more taxes you have to pay. Alright, now let me show you the free tax calculator. For that, let's go to Google and enter free tax calculator Canada. So it will give you a lot of links. So I'm going to show you two free tax calculators which are actually very friendly to use and quite popular in the market. So first one is TurboTax. I just click on this link and it will take me to their website. So just to tell you guys, here the tax rates are updated as of the tax slabs in 2021, and Canada government recently changed the slabs for 2022. So the tax calculated will be as per these slabs, but this should get updated soon. I will leave the link of the new tax rates which are levied by government in the description box. So province of residence is Ontario for me. I'll just put that. So whichever is your case, you can enter that. And my employment income, let's say it is 1 lakh. See, the tax got calculated. It came out to be 23,028 on this amount, and this is how the percentage looks like. Average tax rate comes out to be 23.1%. So of course, minded that the tax calculation here takes into consideration some deductions as well. That's how the tool is designed. But it will give you some idea at a high level how much tax will you be charged on your income. If you enter EY, there's a popular tax calculator from EY. You can actually use this to calculate your tax. So let me go to 2022 and let's enter our salary. Assume it is 75,000 by default. It's coming, so let's take that and we will click on calculate. So you see, for every province it will show you the calculation. Like for example, let's talk about British Columbia. The tax payable is 14,520 and average tax rate is 19.36% on the income $75,000. So whichever province you are living in, you can simply enter your salary and see how much tax payable is on you. It will help you understand the average tax rate in Canada as well. Alright guys, I hope you got some insights on taxes in Canada in 2022. It's not really true that you have to pay 50% of the income in taxes and all of your income is going into taxes and you won't have any savings at all. It doesn't work like that. In fact, there are other ways where you can save taxes. I will cover all of this in coming videos, so stay tuned. Do subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. That really motivates me to make more and more videos for you guys from my experience. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Also, if you have any questions or any feedback for me, do write it down in the comment box. I love to hear from you guys. I'll see you in my next video guys. Till then, you take care. Goodbye.